Hi guys, I am Aishwarya Ghadiyaram. I have cracked the State Bank of India clerical examination in 2020. I have worked in SBI, uske baad I have worked in the Ministry of Labour and Employment, and then right now I am working in the Food Corporation of India as a manager. I am here to discuss the strategy in order to clear this examination, the SBI clerical examination, which is due in the next couple of days. And I want you to remember one thing all the while through this preparation, in this number of days, limited number of days. Number one thing is to always believe yourself. If you believe in yourself, you're going to rock this exam. Because all this hard work which you have been doing for the past couple of months is going to pay really good. Now, if we discuss about this strategy, let's start with reasoning, my favorite subject and my favorite mentor, Sachin sir. Sachin Modi sir has been always mentoring me and guiding me all the way through my preparation, and I am grateful and thankful for all his tricks, all his lectures and all his personal guidance in order to help candidates like us to crack these exams. And I'm glad and happy and not very proud to say that I have cracked many examinations with 35 out of 35 marks in reasoning. And so let's start with reasoning. So we have to always keep in mind that हमको puzzles और seating arrangement एकदम superly prepare करना है, superbly. Puzzles, seating arrangement, उसके बाद syllogism and inequalities, alphanumeric series questions, coding, decoding and miscellaneous questions. Puzzles, which come for around 4 sets, are going to make or break the situation. So, अगर आप सचिन सर के टारगेट SBI के टेस्ट सीरीज वो सब टारगेट SBI सीरीज वीडियोस सब देखिए and hone your skills more in order to crack this examination, because reasoning and the next subject which we are going to talk, that is quant, are going to make or break the situation. Now, speaking of quant सब लोगों का प्यारा सब्जेक्ट है और कुछ लोगों का डरा हुआ सब्जेक्ट है. Like it was mine. I was really scared of quant until I started watching Ashish sir's classes. Sir's playlists are wonderful, especially the most important topics for prelims such as number series, simplification, data interpretation. These 3 things are really going to make or break your examination in quants. And also quadratic equations. So number series, data interpretation, simplification, quadratic and miscellaneous questions. But for quant, these 5 topics are important. इसके बावजूद भी the most important thing is to practice your tables and tricks so that you can gain speed in the examination. जल्दी फटाफट कर सकते हो ये questions if you are having the speed. And then इंग्लिश में स्ट्रैटेजी की बहुत ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज इंग्लिश थोड़ा टाइम टेकिंग है. यस, वी नो दैट आर सी इज क्वाइट लेंथी समटाइम्स. सो फॉर इंग्लिश it is always like we have to keep in mind that what type of questions that we are preparing. Like we're going to prepare for error detection, close test, misspelled words, sentence rearrangement and miscellaneous topics which are going to really scale up the marks for your examination, for your score. And RC. And as we know that in English, it is always better to go from easy questions to the tough questions in order to not feel intimidating. Abhi, we have seen what all topics are important in each subject. But the most important thing in these last final few days before the D-Day is to do maximum number of mocks per day. जब मैं prepare करती थी, I used to do 3 to 4 mocks per day. I used to just do these mocks, and after finishing the mocks, say I finished a mock in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, after finishing each mock, I would check the answers. किधर गलत गई? क्या हुआ? What was the mistake? Where did I go wrong? And then finding the root cause for that mistake, actually which subject had I went wrong in, and trying to strengthen that topic, and also checking out the answers for which the answer is correct. So what has happened? So the most important thing while doing mocks is not only giving mocks but also analyzing the questions. I recommend all of you to analyze your questions and do as many number of mocks as you can before the exam, because that is going to increase your chances of clearing this exam. And yeah, keep it simple, concentrate and focus on these final few days, because these final few days are going to make it or break it for you. Focus on your weak subjects, but not like you are forgetting your strong subjects. Also keep in mind the strong subjects, and always read the questions carefully. Read each and every question carefully. Are they asking for the definitely false statement or the definitely true statement? Like that. Are they asking for synonym or antonym? Like that. And yeah, don't be overconfident. Also don't be underconfident. Maintain your confidence level at a normal pace, and बस यही कॉन्फिडेंट रहिए, मॉक दीजिए, अपने मेंटर से कनेक्ट हो जाइए. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, प्लीज डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू आस्क आवर मेंटर्स, आवर सर्स who have always been guiding us all the way through our preparation, because they want our success. Be positive, give your best, leave the rest. And yeah, I want to end this by saying one thing, only one thing, that if not now, then when? If not you, then who? All the best and rock your exam. Thank you.